Alright, next we have a used little engraved at the top 3 Stooges. Bought this one used, obviously. Great sounding. Looks like the wick's been recently replaced. Doesn't really appear used too much. Okay, so this insert is added in after, but this is a 2021 insert in a before 2000s, yeah, Zippo. Yeah, so this insert was replaced or lost or whatever. No longer the original insert. So you can tell the insert's dated right there by 21. But I thought that was inconsistent because the case looks like definitely it's been worn and used and stuff. So took out the flint there. This one's gonna be added to the collection, not pocket carried, anything like that. So she's all set, ready to be added to the collection. Just like that. Thanks for watching, guys.